going on, guys? Welcome back to Sort of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be discussing how you guys can start earning money with affiliate marketing. So let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
So today's video, I'm going to be using the eBay affiliate program. It's their partner program. You can find affiliate programs all over the internet, but today I'm going to be discussing eBay because that's one I've been using, and I think it's the easiest compared to others like Amazon, which you have to get approved for. So you have to take into account how quickly you want to be earning money. This also depends how big of a following you have. This can be quite difficult if you have a small following, as you need traffic to social media, stuff like that, in order to gain income from this. Over time, this can build up to a quite substantial amount of income. For me personally, I've not earned that much yet, but I feel like as the years go by and I gain more traffic to my YouTube, I feel like this could be a great source of income in addition to when I can finally monetize my videos when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm on track for. I'm growing every day, so let's get into it. So all you have to do to start off is just search eBay affiliate program. Very simple. Go to this link right here, the eBay Partner Network. Just click on that. Can I move this out of the way? I don't think I can. So basically you're just going to click sign up now. Tells you all this stuff, blah blah blah. Actually, I think it already logged me in. I can't really see. Oh. Yep. Okay, so it's already logged me in because it knows I already have an account. So yeah, just sign up. It's completely free. You don't have to just give them your email, make a password. That's it. Then it'll bring you to this site. This is your dashboard. This will where it'll explain everything to you. It gives you a bunch of extensions you can download on Chrome to help promote your links easier. For me personally, I have not used them. I just don't have any need to. I don't really want to be filling up my Chrome extensions with these, but so yeah, this is the main area where you do stuff. Actually, let me just open up a new tab for eBay. So basically, this is how it works. Point of affiliate marketing is basically to promote another product on your social media. It doesn't have to be social. It usually is social media or a blog or something like that, or your website. Basically, you promote their product. They click the link. They purchase that product, and you earn a commission for it. So it's basically like advertising their product for them. And the more traffic you have, the more income you'll make. And it's that simple. And that's why I said earlier you have to have a substantial following in order to make money on this. You can't have 2 followers and expect them to buy like a ton of stuff using your links. You have to have consistent traffic coming to your website, blog, or YouTube channel, for example mine, in order to be gaining money for this. So it explains right here, find something on eBay you want to promote, copy the URL and paste it below, create the link specifically for you, and then promote it to your audience. And that's basically it. Oh, my mouse is dying. As you see, Twitter, Facebook, is it LinkedIn? I think so, and Google+. It's either LinkedIn or Indeed, one of the two. I don't know. So yeah, say you want to, I don't know, let's go to eBay. Search headphones. I love headphones. Find headphones you enjoy, and also make sure to focus on stuff you actually like for this. Makes it easier to promote. So if your YouTube channel's focused around headphones, and I do a lot of headphone reviews, you want to be reviewing products and then pasting that link in your description or maybe in a card to the link to those headphones. So you already know a lot about the headphones since you reviewed them, so you can recommend them, and then your following will like your review and then say, hey, I want to go purchase these. Let's use the link that he put in the description or maybe in a card. So let me just see these. Bluid, I don't even know how to say this. Bluidio T4 noise canceling. Anything you want. Just make sure it's niche based and you actually know a lot about it and you're interested in the product. Don't be selling dog beds if you're a tech company or tech channel, I'm sorry. So all you want to do is copy that link, go back here, copy and paste it, and eBay does everything for you. You click create, and I like this, that you don't even have to click Command C or copy. There's literally a button that says copy link. You copy this link, it's copied into your clipboard, and then you go over here to YouTube. Hey, 612 subscribers. Also, if you want to see my very first video I uploaded, it's right here. It's on my channel. Get that out of the way. So then you basically go into whatever video you want. It can be anything. And I'll show you examples that I've done here. You literally just put it in your description anywhere you want. For example, I've already done this. I updated a bunch of my descriptions for this. You say check out review. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. You say check out some eBay tech using these affiliate links. Someone's interested in tech on eBay. They click that link. They buy something, and you earn a commission. It's that simple. So you just copy that link in here, say like, hey, go check out these headphones, they're really awesome. See, I have Xbox One deals, laptop I use, like this is all stuff relevant to my channel. LG G6, that's the phone I used to record on. You have to have stuff relevant to your channel. Don't do random stuff that has nothing to do with your channel. That's not going to be good. So basically, you come over here, and then if you ever want to see how much money you're going to, just go to reports, click run report, and it'll show you a report. And as you can see, that was the month of June. I've made $6.34. It's not a lot, but hey, it's money. What are you gonna do? I believe someone spent money on an Xbox, because that is a substantial amount that someone spent. I can't imagine. I think it's only one item, so I'm guessing I earned money off of a Xbox One sale. Guessing. Because that's the most expensive item I have on my channel. That could be an LG G6. I don't know if they go for that low. But yeah, it just shows you, and you can adjust this whatever you want. Clicks, impressions, eBay revenue. Shows you a graph. The orange is how much money you've made, and the blue is how many clicks you're getting per day. So that's basically it. You promote their product on your social media, website, blog. Paste that link, say go check this out, like I showed you. They click the link, they buy something, and the good thing about eBay affiliate is that they don't have to buy that specific item. They could just continue searching on eBay, and when they make a sale or buy something, you also earn commission for that, which is good. So they don't have to buy that actual thing that you posted. You could say like, hey, and they could be like, hey, I discovered this other thing I want to buy. You still earn money, so that's a plus. The reason I like this over Amazon is because Amazon makes you apply, and you can't start right away, which is annoying. I just feel like eBay is better in that case, because they're like, get started right away, you start making links. They have all these extensions to help you out. Their user interface is very simple, lays out all the information. So yeah, it's good. That's basically it, guys. This is how you can make money. If you're on the internet, it's a big way to make money on the internet. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Go check out my latest videos. I do a lot of tech reviews, and also tech tutorials. Turn on notifications so you guys know exactly when I upload. That's good, because YouTube subscription box is always messed up. So if you want to know exactly when I upload, just click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Leave a like, helps that video get out. Comment what you thought. Go check my affiliate links in the description. Check out some eBay deals. Help earn me some commissions. That'd be nice. But yeah, use this to your advantage, guys, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.